Okay, greetings folks. It's going to be a bit noisy today, so I hope the volume comes through okay. Let's just cover a few updates. We've had two workshops added for this year and in beginning of January before the Marshallman workshop. In September there's a Chi Kung workshop in Phuket, and that's a 10-day. The beginner's Chi Kung course, and this course will be held at a higher end resort on the beach, and we'll be using the room in the resort for the workshop. And then in January we have a Push Hands workshop. And hopefully my teacher Chris is going to come and help out with that one. He had an accident, and he had 5 vertebrae broken in his spine, so flying's a bit difficult. But if he's feeling well enough, he'll be coming down for that. So it'll be a 40-hour push hands workshop, and we'll go through about 30 push hand sets, mostly from Tai Chi and from other systems as well. That's just before the Marshallman workshop. I'll be back in Thailand at the end of the month, so anyone who's in Chiang Mai will do a weekly sit there. I'll be up at the retreat for most of next month, but I'll come down once a week. So those of you who want to get some practice in who are living in Chiang Mai, that's something that I'd enjoy. And there's a Telegram group now. I've added 30-something people to it for the workshops in Chiang Mai at the end of this year. Just for people who want to connect, share information after the morning training, a place to go and meet up and train in the afternoons. That's for everyone to connect. Now, every workshop I normally set up a Telegram group, and then at the end of the workshop I'll delete it or remove myself from the group. Otherwise I'll just have a Telegram app full of groups. But at the end of this one we might keep this Telegram group, just change the name from, just remove the word Chiang Mai, and just keep it as a way to keep everyone connected. And so if you've booked in for any of these workshops coming up and you're not already on it, just drop me an email and I'll send you an invite link to get onto the group. All right, so any questions about the upcoming workshops, just let me know, and I can email you or do another video if there's a few things to be covered. All right, thanks for your time everyone.